Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to mirror your laptop screen to another laptop and fully control your laptop from the another laptop. Okay, so for this guys, you need to watch our video till and very carefully. Don't miss any option, any method. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to connect your both laptop with the same Wi-Fi network. So as you can see guys, this is our laptop one, and the laptop was connected with the network called net. Okay, and in the other laptop, so you need to connect with the same Wi-Fi network. As you can see guys in my screen, so another laptop was connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now I want to share this laptop screen to this, okay, and control it from here. So for this guys, you need to download and install the two application on your both laptops. In your receiver laptop, here you need to search Space Dex Viewer software for secondary machine, okay, and just slightly scroll it. You need to find out Windows 10 and Windows 11. So just click on download. Okay, so I have already downloaded it in my PC. As you can see guys, in your sender laptop you need to install another application called Space Dex Driver software for Windows primary machine. Okay, so just select Windows 10 and Windows 11 from here. Just click on download it. So I have already downloaded it. Okay, so after download you need to install these both application on your both laptop. After installation, in your receiver laptop, press Windows key button, and here you need to search Space Dex Viewer, okay, and then open it. Now in your primary laptop, sender laptop, press Windows key button, and here you need to search Space Dex Driver Control and open it, okay, like this. Now you need to on this Space Dex Driver console here, and then here in the receiver laptop, here you can get the option your laptop name is desktop. So just select it. So it will quickly mirror your this laptop screen to this. Okay, now the screen mirror was successfully completed. If you want to control this laptop from this laptop, so here there is some setting. So here you can get the mouse option button, as you can see guys. So remove mouse input selection, just you need to select this option. That's it. Here you can get the three option as mouse, as emulator touch, or disable. So I will select as emulator touch. Emulator touch is not working. I will select as mouse. Okay, so as you can see guys, from my this laptop I am able to control this laptop. So I will open the file explorer. So first I will minimize this. So as you can see guys, my whole desktop of this laptop is showing here. I want to access any file folder from this laptop, I will able to access it. So as you can see guys, I am using from this only. From this laptop I can easily able to control this laptop. Okay, so this is the complete guide to mirror and control the one laptop screen from another laptop using the Space Dex. Okay, so that's for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.